When Elon Musk, the world's richest person, endorses a virtual currency, you know it's big business. Elon Musk has told users of an online social media app that he believes Bitcoin is a good thing. His comments about it has increased the value of Bitcoin, and there is no sign that indicates that Bitcoin is disappearing anytime soon. To give you some perspective, a single Bitcoin has increased in value from around $5,000 in March of 2020 to more than $55,000 now in December 2021. As speculation about the currency has spread around the world, the Bank of Singapore has suggested that the 12-year-old currency could replace gold as a store of value. However, in October, Andrew Bailey, the governor of the Bank of England, warned about Bitcoin's unpredictability, saying it makes him very nervous. With all of this talk, you're probably wondering what Bitcoin is and how it works. Bitcoin, also known as a cryptocurrency, virtual currency, or digital currency, is a completely virtual form of money. It's similar to an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services, but not many stores accept it yet, and some countries have outright banned it. However, some businesses are beginning to recognize its growing clout. For example, in October of 2020, PayPal, the online payment service, announced that its customers would be able to buy and sell Bitcoin. The physical Bitcoins shown in photographs are a novelty. They'd be worthless if the private codes weren't printed inside. So how does Bitcoin work? Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. People can send Bitcoins, or part of one, to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoins to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies or undoing transactions. Now you might ask, how do people get Bitcoins? Well, there are three main ways for people to obtain Bitcoins. 1. Bitcoins can be purchased with real money. 2. You can sell items and accept Bitcoin payments. 3. They can also be generated by a computer. People can make their computers process transactions for everyone in order for the Bitcoin system to function. The computers are designed to solve extremely difficult math problems. They are occasionally rewarded with a Bitcoin that the owner can keep. People set up powerful computers solely to try to obtain Bitcoins. This is known as mining. However, the sums are becoming increasingly difficult to prevent an excessive number of Bitcoins from being generated. If you began mining now, it could take years before you received a single Bitcoin. You may end up spending more money on computer electricity than the Bitcoin is worth. But why do people want Bitcoin? Some people prefer Bitcoin because it is decentralized, which means that it's not governed by the government or banks. People can also spend their Bitcoins in a relatively anonymous manner. Despite the fact that all transactions are recorded, no one would know which account number belonged to you unless you told them. Every transaction is publicly recorded, making it extremely difficult to forge Bitcoins, create fake ones, or spend ones you don't own. It is possible to lose your Bitcoin wallet or delete your Bitcoins, both of which are irreversible. There have also been thefts from websites that allow you to remotely store your Bitcoins. Since its inception in 2009, the value of Bitcoins has fluctuated, and some people believe it is risky to convert real money into Bitcoins. Andrew Bailey, the governor of the Bank of England, expressed extreme skepticism about people using Bitcoin to make payments, emphasizing that investors should be aware that the currency's price is extremely volatile. By this, he meant that the value could plummet at any time, causing investors to lose a lot of money. Do you think Bitcoin is going to be the currency we all use in the future, or is it all just a bubble? Let us know down in the comments. Disclaimer: nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and as always, thanks for watching.